putting together Refina Superflex plastic skimming trowel with blade. Take it out of the wrapper, don't need that anymore. Right, get the dust off it. Now what we normally do is a little bit of WD-40 on a cloth, which runs down the edges of the trowel, which makes it slide into the blade a lot easier, because they are sharp and they'll slice your fingers off. Just clean the excess WD-40 off. See where the slots are that it goes in. 2 fingers at the front, keeping it flat, and then just slide it in. There's your trowel. Take the edging strips off and you're all ready for plastering. Keep hold of the edging strips to place back on once you've finished plastering, which are good to keep the trowel side getting nicks on the edges. They do go on, trust me. Up there is back on there. Refina Superflex plastic skimming trowel, Refina tool from handtoolsexpress.co.uk.